So we're back again with another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today behind me you can see I've got this M140 and this M240. Two very respectable cars in the car game right now, both packing B58 engines, both tuned, both stage 2. The owners are with me today, and today all we're going to be doing is doing quarter mile times and a drag race. Whoever wins the quarter mile race, whoever wins the drag race, that's the winner of the day. With that said, let's bring in the owners of these two weapons. So Chris, welcome to the channel then. Do you want to tell us about your M140 and what you've done to it?
Yeah, so M140 Stage 2 Plus, tuned by Performance M in Manchester. It's running about 497 and about 750 Newton meters. Cat back reamer system, 5-inch downpipe, a few other bits and bobs, but yeah, she's a beast. Yeah, and how are you finding it? Obviously right now this is like one of the go-to cars in the car game right now. I love it. Like,
yeah, definitely lives up to the hype.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay,
100%.
Sweet. So as I said, obviously this is stage 2, the M240 stage 2. We're bringing our second guest. So Matt, welcome to the channel. Do you want to tell us about your M240?
So this is my 240i, tuned by Tom Ridley Performance, so I think everyone knows that name. It's running 480 brake, 800 Newton meters of torque, and yeah, it just goes like a shit off a shovel, to be honest. Yeah. Good fun.
Yeah, that's it, man. So yeah, as I said, it's just, we're going to be doing the draggies. We've got the draggy with us today to find out what quarter mile times is these cars running and who gets the best one. Then after that, it will be a straight drag race. So we're doing a shootout today. Friendly fire as well. These two boys are both guys. Yeah, so it's friendly fire. May the best man win. Well, so right now, so you got the more power.
Yeah. So
you got the more torque.
Yeah.
Okay. So technically speaking, do we know how much these cars weigh?
I think mine's 1450 at the curb. With me in it, probably a lot more. But
yeah.
I haven't got a clue what mine is, to be honest.
Okay. Sweet. So alright, yeah. With that said, then let's get out in these two cars and like take your pick. Who wants to go first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah. I won. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh.
Okay, so you're first up then, yeah? Yeah, man, so we're in the 240i. As I said, we're going to be measuring quarter mile time. So this is how it works. They're both going to do 2 runs, quarter mile times, and then whatever happens from them results, so if Matt, for example, gets 2 on him, then obviously he's the winner. And then the drag race will be exactly the same thing. 2, if Matt wins 1, or Chris wins 1, it's 1-1. We do the last round, which will be the 3rd round. But again, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to actually see the differences between these. Cars are exact the same, but just tuned differently, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So if you're on the market for a 240 or an M140, this is a good video for you guys to see which one's worth getting. And also, the main important thing is the tuners at the end of the day.
That's it.
And the driver will play a part, but these are both ZF8 gearboxes?
ZF8, yeah.
Okay.
I think Chris's is mapped to stage 3, mine's stage 2.
Gearbox, yeah?
Yeah, gearbox, man.
30, 60. Quarter mile.
So alright, so you've done a 12.24 on that run there, 12.24, and you've also done a 0 to 60 time in. Doesn't say it there at the minute, but I will be able to find it. But yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
So at the moment, 12.24, that's a good run.
That's not bad at all.
Do you know what I mean? We'll run it back again, and yeah, it even says.
I will say as well, I'm fully DSC off, traction off, everything.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, I don't like driver aids.
Yeah. So do you want to try it?
I will try a manual,
yeah. Well, don't try a manual. So you got just, are you in Sport Plus?
Sport Plus.
Try it in Sport then.
Yeah, just Sport?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the 0 to 60 then was a 4.2.
Yeah.
And then obviously the quarter mile time should be on the screen now, yeah. So we're in the M140 now, yeah. And you just said obviously what Matt got now. And again, obviously we're in Chris's. So just run them through the figures again. So it's 497.
Yeah, 497 and around 750
Newton meters, yeah. Yeah, this is feeling quick, man. This is feeling quick. So we're gonna so we got everything off on this as well. He did do it in auto because I said it that way. It's the car doing it, and it might not be like, oh, I should have shifted then. Do you know what I mean? Makes it a level playing field, but. Yeah, and your tuner again, what are they called?
Performance M, they're in Manchester.
Yeah. highly recommend them?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. So like I said, this will just go as soon as you go.
30. 60.
That gear change, bro, phenomenal. Wow.
Quarter mile.
Okay, so your first run there, 12.3. Dead on, bang on, 12.3.
What's that, quarter mile? Yeah?
Quarter mile, yeah, 12.3, bang on.
Half mile.
And that was smooth, man. Your gearbox, I must say, is stage 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because obviously he said it's in stage 2, but the way your car catches the gears, it's just bang, bang, bang. Do you know what I mean? There's not much gaps between them, is there? But yeah, again, 12.3, we just done that in. And 0 to 60, I will get that up now, just so you guys are watching can get a feel of what it was. So we done a 0 to 60 in 4.4, and then obviously a quarter mile. Yeah, so we're gonna run one more, and then we're gonna go out and do a head-to-head, and then may the best man win. Ready, bro? Spinning, spinning.
30. 60. Quarter mile.
12.6 that one. Yeah, because of the spin though, innit?
No traction.
12s, yeah. Do you want to do one run? One
Half
more?
mile.
Then that way you know you've got,
Yeah,
you know, you don't want to go to sleep thinking I coulda, shoulda, woulda. Do you know what I mean? Because this car's capable, man.
30. 60. Quarter mile.
All right, sweet. So that time you got a 12.37.
Quicker with all the drive rates off.
Off, innit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we do one more then?
If you want to do one more, run it
let's
again,
go.
bro. Run it again, bro.
30. 60.
It feels definitely a lot more potent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quarter mile.
Yeah, man. 12.3 again.
Yeah?
Yeah, 12.3
Okay.
again. Yeah. Sweet. Sweet.
Not bad, is it?
Yeah,
Not bad at all.
yeah, that's it. Sweet, man. So we're like I said, obviously, we're gonna go in Chris's car now. We're gonna go and see what his car's running. The best one of Matt's car so far. I'll have to get it on the screen now. You would have just seen it, but you know what it's like. We've just done 3 ones, but yeah, let's go out and go and see his car then. Bro, this is the one that matters. Yes. That one felt quick.
60. Quarter mile.
Sweet, sweet. Okay, so you done a 12.24. A 12.24, right?
Better.
And I'll be honest with you, I can't remember what he got, but you two are somewhere or thereabouts. That's what I'm saying, right? So we're gonna go back now, and then we're gonna do the drag, yeah? But yeah, bro, that was the one. That was the one, brother. Okay, so now we're gonna do the drag race. Like I said, it's best of 2. It may end up being best of 3. So we've obviously got Matt in his 240 there. And obviously we're in the M140. When you're ready, yeah?
When it's on red.
Yeah. Boost launch, innit? Yeah.
What are you taking it to?
Just get ready, fucking Chris. Don't worry about him. As soon as the light hits amber, boys, you know what time it is. That was neck and neck. That was neck and neck, lads. That is neck and neck. Honest to God.
I was a bit early as well.
He was a bit early.
Yeah.
Chris brought it slightly back because you probably realised that.
Yeah.
That was neck and neck, weren't it?
To be fair, I was
Wow.
sliding like fuck.
I'm calling that a draw, if I'm honest with you.
Mate, they're neck and neck. Oh my days.
Right, so we're rolling, right. So we've got M140 there and M240 there, right? So fucking hell. Gee, are you ready for these results, right? In black and white, right? We got the M140 Chris, yeah? 12.24 seconds, yeah? In black and white, yeah? Right? There you go, look, right? There you go. 12.24, yeah? Right? That's the M140, yeah? We've got the M240, yeah? 12.24, yeah? Bang!
We're good, bro.
Bang! Bro, listen. 12.24, yeah?
Come on.
Yo, you gotta leave me hanging.
Come on.
Listen, big them both up still, yeah? And the race was even as well. Everything was even, right?
Even.
There you go. If you want an M140 or M240, you're not decided. Just buy whichever one you like.
All Tom Wrigley,
Oh, yeah.
don't matter.
Yeah. Literally, that's in black and white. One more time for them, yeah. Look, just pointing that there. 12.24, yeah, and that's a M240. Go across, M140, 12.2. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, man. Listen, with that said anyway, smash the subscribe button. More drag racing and times coming soon, yeah. Big up there. What's your Instagrams?
Instagram
21, yeah,
M24, yeah.
There you go, yeah.
12.12 now.
Go and follow that up, man. Sweet.